ZAPU presidential Sabc has warned that any attempt by President Mnangagwa to extend his rule beyond 2028 will face strong resistance. Sabela mashoko atuna kuti aiwa even the leadership yeZAPU pana panguva ino yakubetera mashoko achara the same kuti aiwa zvacho nemutungamiri wenyika panguva ino aiwa dei vambofunga kaviri ndoti bo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa pa yendo ipindula mlanyira chiti while categorically rejecting support for a coup, Ngomo said ZAPU demands fair and transparent elections in 2028, adding that Mnangagwa must step down once his second and final term ends. Speaking to journalists in Bulawayo, Ngomo condemned Mnangagwa's efforts to prolong his presidency, labeling them as the grandfather of all illegalities, he said. Mnangagwa sneaked into power on the back of a military coup in 2017 and now seeks to extend his rule by staging another coup against the constitution of Zimbabwe. It is a treasonous ambition that no patriotic Zimbabwe should entertain. Ngomo asserted that since Zimbabwe gained independence from Britain in 1980, ZANU-PF has consistently taken the country's citizens for granted, he said. Our considered view is that this chicanery dates back to 1980 when ZANU stole the people's vote after we attained our independence from colonial rule. ZANU-PF chose to replace the colonial regime inspired and instructed by the Rhodesian era and continues to take the citizens of Zimbabwe for granted. The people, along with the ZAPU and even the ancestors, are fed up. Ngomo dismissed the ZANU-PF National Conference held in Bulawayo in October 2024, where delegates resolved to extend Mnangagwa's presidential term from 2028 to 2030, declaring that only those who profit from death and suffering are advocating for such a move. Ndomashwa tiri kuna panapa kuti aiwa kunyange nevakomana veZAPU panapa vari kunyasku uya vachikondema the term extension vachiti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika 2028 ostepa down and then ma-elections emuna 2028 oitwa zviri transparent. Tiudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina kome section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.